So if you want to copy this title, for example, without the styling, right? You can right click paste without formatting. The problem is it makes you install an extension. That's fine if you want to do that. If you don't, the simplest option is to just go and open Notepad, paste whatever you just copied, copy it again, and now you can paste it and it won't be formatted anymore. Yeah, second option, like I said, I mean, the first option was just install this extension, add to Chrome, add extension. If you don't use Chrome, I guess there's, yeah, it should be available for other operating systems. Well, not operating systems, browsers. Yeah, so reload, and now you'll be able to paste without formatting. It's the same exact thing as we just did in Notepad, but I guess it's simpler. You can either do it by right-clicking here, or edit, paste without formatting, or Control-Shift-V. So, yeah.